A simple guide to converting Microsoft Excel projects to Word projects. This video will show you how to insert Excel data into a Word document on your Windows. Open a project in Microsoft Excel. Copy the Excel chart. Open Microsoft Word. You'll need to open a new or existing project. Click Paste. This is the clipboard icon in the Home tab. This will paste the Excel chart into Word. To select different paste options, click the arrow underneath Paste. If you want to link to the original Excel chart so updates are reflected in the destination file, select Use Destination Theme and Link Data. If you want to embed the original chart to edit it in Word, select Use Designation Theme and Embed Workbook. If you want the chart to act as a picture element, select Picture. Edit your chart. Click your chart to open the Format Chart Area window on the right panel. You can adjust the fill and border. You can also click the chart to adjust the layout options, chart elements, style and values. Save your Word document. Click File in the top right corner, then Save As. Choose a name and save location for your document. Embedding an Excel worksheet. Place your cursor where you want the Excel data. Click Insert tab in the top toolbar. Click Object. The Object window will open. Click Create from File. This allows you to embed an existing Excel file into your Word document. Click Browse, click your file, and click Insert. The file name and path will be displayed in the File Name field. Click the box next to Link to File. This will embed the content of the file into your Word document and create a link to the original file. If the original Excel document is updated, the changes will transfer over to the data in your Word document. You can check the box next to Display as Icon if you only want a quick link to your Excel document from Word. This will override Link to File. Save your Word document. Copying and pasting Excel data into Word. Open a project in Microsoft Excel. Copy the Excel data. Open Microsoft Word. Click Paste. This is the clipboard icon in the Home tab. This will paste the Excel data into Word.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.